Oh yeah, she's hot.
Hold it, don't you?
I don't want you to though, cause it's hot.
I know it's gonna get hot quick, but the end I might have to hold.
Alright, okay. Just put that down. That's the main hazard. Let's it could be like here. I'm probably gonna need one here too. Put those scissors there.
Right.
Appreciate that, my brother. Let's cut us off a little piece for that side. Damn. Bitch can't cut plastic? The fuck? See any other scissors in there? Or do you have scissors in the truck?
Yeah, I have scissors in the truck.
Yeah, can I? I'm sorry, I don't know what the fuck is happening. Ah, okay.
You got it?
Oh, your key's inside? Can you hold it like that? Whatever you do not hold the middle. Yeah, just like that. Try to keep your finger away from it. Alright, I'm gonna need you to put pressure and push towards you. It's hot, you feel it? Alright, hold it there for a second and let it dry and inspect it. So I should do one more layer, huh? Just in case. Scissors right here. Quick. Just set it on top. They coming to get it? Huh? Coming to get it? Told you? Huh?
He called me. He said he got two more cars ahead of me, so you know. And he told me like I said, I feel like he probably will come like maybe 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock tonight, bro.
Who's gonna get here first, him or Natty?
Natty may get here first, because Natty actually on this side. He did say he had to stop by the more cars. He actually won't stop. So he may end up cooking so. But I'm not really tripping shit. As long as that shit gets there before I go to work tomorrow, you know. I'm not really tripping what time he gets there.
It's a real nigga, bro. You don't know?
Let it go.
I thought you did. Thought you knew him.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you find him?
Hey, look, Ted, I tell you, I know something, bro. You see this? This is right here, sir. It's called plastic welding. I use a zip tie to weld my bumper back together. Now I'm about to melt this one off.
Alright.
We use this little bit of fuel right here.
Yes, sir.
I'll seal that up a little bit.
That's pretty smooth.
This is why we do this outside though, and not inside, because bro, it was gonna smell like a fucking plastic factory in that bitch.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, bro, I'm about done, bro. You like your new lights?
Where you go, bro?
Buddy, with the package. Good. These what the old ones look like. Oh, you got them too?
Oh yeah.
Your original ones look like this?
My original one.
Oh hell no! I hate them orange ones.
I hated the orange, so I put I had to put the black one.
Yeah, them orange ones too fucking generic.
Yeah.
But yeah,
What you
bro.
gotta do, brother?
What's Vin in here doing?
Lay down, bro.
He's laying down? Are you dead ass?
See, it sounds like graining out.
I told him to bust a push out. So
We barely smoked today.
I didn't want to
Graining out.
Bro, we probably had I think that ass like 2 months. 2 times I rolled, bro.
Yeah.
I think that's the only time.
I don't even got no Zar right now. I ain't gonna care. I'm about to get some after this.
I was gonna cop a zip from Ben Friday. They said he's not got anything in.
Cam got 7 for 30.
That is actually still decent. Hey, shit. I don't need to worry about Friday. I'm going straight to Cam's. I need something.
Bro, I'm the truth, bro. Like, I don't mean to be a dick rider sailor, but this is crazy what I'm doing right here.
But you feel like Iron Man right now.
I do, literally, bro. I
That nigga was building the suits.
feel like Mr. Clean right now, bro. I'm liberating the world.
You feel like a sailor.
Do you feel like me, Mark?
Yep.
Oh my God, tell your cheeks up, bro. Hey, you know, how the hell did you tear your slide up, brother?
You might go roll that back too.
Got these shits.
Oh, nah, that just happened during biking. It just pops right back in. Because the chain caught it.
Like shit.
Yeah, bike shit, literally.
Like shit,
So I guess we're just waiting on Natty.
How that goes. People are just gonna.
That Mark, he might not even work for 3 days now.
3 days actually is insane.
No, we're not even exaggerating. He's dead ass been on the way for 3 days.
I'm not even trying to like
Just trying to cook
do it
that
to me, you know what I'm saying?
3 days.
Dead ass, bro, 3 days.
You probably just working a lot. Actually,
Then don't say you on the way, nigga.
yeah. Damn, I didn't know orangutan got that big. Is it real?
Like, this is some real nasty work I'm doing right here, boy. You ever seen a nigga do this, Sailor? You ever seen a nigga do this, bro? Huh? You said nah? I told you, bro. This shit, bro. I'm on some other shit right now, bro. Huh? Right. Oh, yeah, that's a new axle.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, right there, Mark.
The axle.
Yes, sir.
Little axle.
Getting her in, man. Look at that, boy. Hold on. Go ahead and melt a little bit up now. Got a little zip tie up yonder here. We should be good. Okay. This is blowing my mind right now, Sailor. Oh, this is crazy, Mark.